Hello students, in this video I am discussing about turbo machines first module. Okay, so introduction. uh, in introduction, first one is a definition. The definition of a turbo machine. Okay, a turbo machine is a device in which the energy transfer takes place between the flowing fluid and a rotating element due to the dynamic action and result in the change of pressure and momentum of the fluid. Okay, it's called as turbo machine. This is the definition of turbo machines. In generally, turbo machines mechanical energy is transferred into or out of the system in the steady flow process. Okay, so turbo machine includes two types of machines, that is which are producing a pressure or a head, such as centrifugal pumps, compressors, blowers, etc., and those types which are producing a power, such as turbines of all the kinds. Okay, so coming to components of turbo machine. First one is a rotor, second one is a stationary element, third one is input output shaft, and fourth one is a housing. Okay, so first one, rotor which carries a vanes. Okay, so as you can see from this figure. Okay, rotor which carries a vanes uh, rotating in a stream of the fluid flow. Okay, and the second one is a stationary element which is usually act as a guide vane for a proper control of the fluid direction during the energy conversion process. Okay, and third one is the input output shaft, and fourth one is housing. Okay, so these are the principal parts of the turbo machine. So the rotating element carrying the vane is known by the name rotor or runner or impeller. Okay, it is depends on uh, type of a machine. Okay, energy transfer occurs between flowing fluid and the rotating element due to the momentum changes between the two. Okay, so the stationary element, which is also known by a different names. Among them, first one is a guide blade or a nozzle. Okay, depending upon the particular type of the machine and the kind of the flow occurring in it. Okay, so the in stationary element, it is not a necessary part. It is not a stationary element is not a necessary part of every turbo machine. The ceiling fan is used in many buildings to circulate the air, is an example of turbo machine with no stationary element. Okay, so next, coming to classification based on a fluid flow in a turbo machine. First one, as you can see from the first figure, this is a axial flow. Okay, the flow is only in one direction. Okay, and second, in second figure, this is also radial outward flow. Okay, so this is a flow is here, the flow is radial. Okay, in case of first figure, the flow is axial. Okay, and the third one is mixed flow of a mixed flow hydraulic turbine. Okay, here the flow is mixed, right? There is two inlet, so it's a mixed flow. Okay, this is about a classification based on a fluid flow of turbo machines and components and the definition of turbo machine. Okay, thank you.